Okay, today we are going to be doing a battery replacement on a Chevrolet Traverse key fob. This is a 2021 key fob. There's not really much to this. The battery that we're going to be using today is a 2032 battery. You can find these all over. It's very common. They go in almost every key fob out there, so just make sure you pick up one from a place that has high usage, such as a hardware store or Target or something like that. Don't pick it up from like Joann's Fabrics where it's been sitting on the shelf for a year. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is you have to remove the actual key, which is typically referred to as the valet key. So you're gonna press that silver button right there. And we're gonna do this with no tools involved. So I just pushed in on the silver button with my fingernail, and then the key slides out. Now, what we got to do next is we have to part the case. Now, there's a couple things to remember here is that there's an electronic pad right behind this, so flip it over so that stays down. And then you're going to put the key in, kind of back in this hole right here, but not to where it starts to go in. There's a little shelf. See, it's right there. There's a shelf right there. It's about 8 millimeters in. We're going to stick the key in that far and then basically pry against it until you start seeing the cap open. See how that opened up right there? Okay. So now with the keys facing down, we'll just go ahead and continue to pry that guy open. Just like that. Okay, now, if you've already taken the battery out and you don't know why it works, take heed in the video that the lettering of the battery is facing down. It's facing away from the opening. You have a little spring-loaded puck here. Make sure that guy does not fall out. We're going to gently set that down so nothing happens to it. So the next thing we got to do is we got to pull this battery out right here. Multiple ways to do it. If your fingernails are long enough, you can simply just reach in and pick it out of there. There we go. And you see that? There's my 3-volt CR2032. Just like that. We'll set that down right there. We'll take the new battery. Just well, Energizer did a good job. Okay. There's my battery, 2032. We're going to put it right back in the way we found it, which is the lettering down. So the side that's up is blank. Just push that in with the finger. There it is right there. Nothing to it. Okay, now we are ready to just go ahead and flip that cover and put it back on. The only thing that you need to watch out for is that you want to take this little slot that's right here on the side. That's where you push the key button right there. And you want to start with the key button. So that slot goes right on the key button. Start there and line that up first. And then it's simply just a matter of pushing it around until it closes up all the way. Sealed all the way around. You shouldn't really see a gap at all anymore. And then just put your key back in. Done. Okay, remember now to recycle your batteries properly. These are dangerous, especially with kids or animals around, so recycle your batteries properly. That's it. Good job. Good job, good job.